Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, well, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Of course, nice to meet you, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so this video is about, 7 ways to save money, money saving tricks and tips when it comes to beauty stuff. So, because beauty stuff can get really expensive. I mean, yes, there are some drugstore brand, but even then, those can get pretty expensive too. They're like racking up the prices at drugstores. I mean, if you guys didn't notice that, yeah, they're kind of like amping up the prices. So here are 7 ways that I did some research, if you will, that I think are actually legit and real ways to save money when it comes to makeup and beauty stuff. So, if you're curious what they are, then of course, sit tight, don't go anywhere, because we're about to get started in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so number 1, lipstick. Alright, now of course, lipstick is applied on the lips, but you can also apply it on your cheeks very lightly as like a cream blush. Because cream blushes are pretty popular, so cream blush. Or I know some people use like lipstick to kind of like color correct, so they'll put like red underneath their makeup to use it as a form of color correction. Now, personally, I've never really color corrected my skin, so I don't know if that really works or not. But I do know that a bunch of YouTubers have tried it, and some of them do claim to say that it works. So you can go ahead and try it out for yourself, see if it works. But basically, the first tip is using one product in many different ways. So even like eyeshadow. So you can use a brown eyeshadow, of course, on your eyes because it is an eyeshadow, but you can also use it to, fill in your brows, or maybe even wet the eyeshadow a little bit and use a brown or black eyeshadow to do your eyeliner. Different ways to use one product in more than different one ways. That does not make sense. Use one product in many different ways. Yeah. All right. Number two. Number two, I wrote down to save your mascara brushes. Now, so I read that, the main reason why mascaras have such high different price ranges is because it really comes down, of course, the formula and all this stuff does count. I'm sure it does. I'm not no makeup scientist that, stirs up the makeup in the lab and never tried it before, but I would love to try that. That sounds like super fun stuff. I mean, super fun. If I could try it, I would love to do that. But I learned that when it comes to mascaras, that you want to save your makeup brushes or mascara brushes, I'm sorry, because that's where the big price range comes in. So what you can do is buy yourself one or two, nice makeup mascaras. I keep saying makeup. Buy yourself nice mascaras that you really like and save those brushes. And then the next time around you need to buy a new mascara, just go buy like a simple, nice one from the drugstore or a much more affordable mascara, and just use that brush you saved, and then dip it into that affordable mascara you bought, and then use it like so. You know what I mean? So just save those mascara wands you love and use that as your mascaras. All right. And I do know with mascara wands, some people use it as like they clean it off first of all. So they clean up the mascara wand nice and clean, and they use it as like a little baby brush to kind of brush away. They blush. This is what happens when you record video late at night, guys. Okay, so they use that mascara wand to either brush away their baby hairs or to tame their brows, So, yeah, mascara wands. Save them. Money saver. Number 3, all right, samples. So don't be afraid to go into different beauty or makeup stores such as Sephora or Ulta and ask for samples. The worst they say is they don't have any, but honestly, I think they do. Sephora is definitely good at giving you samples. If you ask for samples, they'll find a way to give it to you. So don't be shy, get samples. The best thing about samples is that you don't have to spend your hard-earned money. Yes, you can return the product and then, deal with it that way. But honestly, if you're not sure about a product, you just want to test it out, ask for a sample. It's free, all right? If it doesn't work, then just don't buy it. You know what I mean? So samples. Samples are a great way to save money because that way you know if you really like it and if you really want to buy it, you know? All right, number 4, the famous hot water trick. All right, so hot water is your best friend. Okay, so with hot water, when you have like when you have like liquid lipsticks or even liquid foundations, sometimes, you know, they can get kind of like, I don't want to use the term cruddy, but they can get like kind of not liquidy anymore. So basically, what the hot water trick is, you'll take your foundation or even like your liquid lipstick and just kind of dump that into the hot water, and that will kind of like serve as like a hot water bath and kind of help the makeup product become more liquidy again, if that makes sense. So hot water trick. Just make sure you don't burn yourself while handling hot water, you know. So be careful, please. Number 5. All right. Now, there are some stores or some brands where if you save their empty containers and you bring it back to the store, they will either allow you to get, like, you trade it in for like a free product, or you get like a discounted product on your next purchase. Now, you might want to ask, you know, go in and ask yourself just to double check. But if I remember correctly, I believe MAC does that. Kiehl's and Lush, like discounted or free. Just double check with them, but or look it up on Google. I don't know. All right. So some stores, if you save their product, it's emptied out, they'll trade it in with you, free or discounted. All right. Number 6 is makeup remover. If you are a makeup lover, you are going to use makeup removers. Now, or maybe you don't use it. I don't know. Maybe you sleep in your makeup 24/7, 365. Who knows? All right, but I use makeup removers. And for me, you know, I'm not going to lie, guys. This is what I use all the time. I mean, I have used Vaseline before, which is what the money saving tricks and tip is. So instead of buying bottles of these, and this can get pretty expensive. This one, by the way, I got discounted, so whoo, yay me. But even cheaper than that, you can buy like huge tubs of Vaseline and use that as a makeup remover. Another thing people do is they would use Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo, like no tear baby shampoo. So they'll kind of wash their face with baby shampoo and use that as a makeup remover. So I've tried the Johnson & Johnson makeup remover before. Okay, I've tried the Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo no tear makeup remover before, and I mean, it works, but honestly, I still have to go in and remove the mascara and bits of my eyeliner. So it removes like a good chunk of my makeup, but not like all of it from my own experience. But go ahead and, you know, try it out yourself. And I know some people use coconut oil, which is also, besides all those like liquidy type makeup remover tricks and tips, what you can do is, again, bringing this up every single video I talk about it, okay? This makeup removing cloth, this right here. Just get one, okay? You remove your makeup with this, it gets dirty, you toss it in the laundry, you bring it back out, good as new, use it again. You are saving money. Now you're wondering, Sarah, if you have that and it's that good, why the hell are you buying this expensive ass Neutrogena makeup removing? Yeah, you got me there. I don't know. I just like it, okay? I've been using this even before I use this, so that's probably why. And a lot of the times, you know, I use this when I'm taking a shower. I drench it in the shower with water, and then I remove it, you know, wet, and take my makeup off. But with this, when I'm recording videos, I don't jump in the shower and come back out. I tend to record videos like a whole bunch at once. So I do a makeup look, put this on a cotton round, wipe it off, next makeup look. Cotton round, wipe, next makeup look. You get what I'm saying? So that's the main reason why I bought this. But overall, if I'm just like putting makeup on and I need to remove it at the end of the night while I'm taking a shower, boom, this. This is a money-saving hack. You know, this should have been number 1, honestly. I love it. All right. Last but not least, dupes. Learn to love what dupes are, okay? I honestly believe that a lot of the times, yes, I love high-end brands. Don't get me wrong. Love them. They're amazing. There's a reason why some are high-end and some are more affordable, but then affordability is relative. All right, so anyways, the whole point of this final tricks or final tip is to just learn about dupes because honestly, a lot of the times I feel like what the reason why one product is more expensive and the other one is less expensive or more affordable is because it's a marketing scheme, and the packaging is the main reason why their prices are such different. You know what I mean? And besides the packaging, everything else on the inside is pretty much the same. All right, so if you learn about dupes and you can find dupes that you like that kind of like matches the higher end products, try it out. I'm sure you'll love it. And there are different websites and different apps you can download or search that does sell dupes. So learn about dupes. Great way to save money when it comes to makeup. Well, what do you know? We are at the end, guys. Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the video. And these were 7 different beauty hacks, beauty tips and tricks to save money. And hopefully you guys learned something new. Maybe you'll walk away with like 2 or 3 tricks and tips up your sleeves. You can share it with your friends. Which, by the way, you should share this video if you do like it. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would mean the world to me, and I'll be so grateful, you guys. And if you haven't already, join the family, join the Kwak fam, and click that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my social media, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all that good stuff are linked down below. And that is it, guys. Alright, so of course I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, bye!